Hello and welcome to this tour of a 2-bedroom apartment in the Creek Vida residences. Offers a large living area connecting to a large balcony. From here you can see views towards where the structure and the rest of the creek will be, including Creek Mall, which will be the biggest mall in Dubai, even bigger than Dubai Mall. Let's head through to the bedrooms. On the left we've got bedroom number 1, which again has great views of what will soon be an amazing part of Dubai, with the tallest structure in the world and the biggest mall. Built-in wardrobe space, high quality finish. This bedroom has a bathroom just here, which is guest bathroom and bathroom for the bedroom. Here we have the washing machine space for at least a washing machine and some storage on top. Let's head through to the master bedroom, where we get a corner plot offering the same view we've seen twice already, as well as great space, great light, and views from here, a little bit of the beach, the lagoon, and impressively downtown Burj Khalifa and Burj Al Arab right in the distance. You probably can't see on the camera, but I can see it in person. Lovely corner plot, feels quite private, no one looking in. Built-in wardrobe space and an ensuite bedroom, big mirror and shower. For more information, please give me a call or a WhatsApp.